Hello and welcome back to the IsoTek Academy. This is an introduction to IsoTek's EVO3 Initium power cable. EVO3 Initium is IsoTek's new entry-level power cable, designed to offer high quality performance at an extremely fair price. Initium is a must for replacing all of your free standard black plastic power leads. It uses a 99.9999% oxygen-free conductor of more than twice the normal square millimeter standard, with superior insulation and dielectric. It's designed for improved performance. So what does the press say? For more information about IsoTek products, please visit our website. Here's the address. If you liked the video, please share and hit the subscribe button to enjoy more IsoTek videos. Thank you for watching.